Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram Reels from Facebook. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing we'd be needing to do is just to go to our account and then go to profile picture so we can go to settings. So from here, I'm just going to settings and privacy, and basically now we will be needing to go to the settings. Now, after that, we are switching to settings. We will be needing to go to the media so we can choose the media that we want to have on our Facebook page, etc. So here you can see there is the real one, and you can see this. You can allow people to uh, share your reels to their stories. You can have the pages, stories, etc. But the one that we are interested in is the preferences. So basically here you can customize your experience on Facebook. And by going to the media, you can see the default quality for your videos, the autoplay video, and make sure this one is off so you can just make it as off if you would like. Also, make sure to go whenever you meet your reels here. For example, if you start meeting the reels here, you can just go to the 3 points icon you'll find on the reel bar, and then you will need just to click on hide the reel bars. And by that, it will allow you to start hiding the reel bar so you can stop seeing the reels. And basically this is the way on how you can do it. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.